Hey you all, welcome back to an all new video. Thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time joining me, thank you so much. I appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing the setup of my Winter Wonderland themed dining room. I hope you guys enjoy and have a great day. I'm not going to do too much talking. Shout out to the Family Dream. I saw a sparkly reindeer on their tour of their Christmas decoration, and I went looking for one. I thought it was so cute. So big shout out to you guys. I had to get me one. So if you guys are not connected with them, head on over and go subscribe to the Family Dream channel. These trees here I actually purchased from the thrift store the same day I grabbed my Christmas tree. These were $7. I believe I paid $14 because I don't do taxes at the thrift store I went to. I paid $14 for both, and they are super cute. So I just grabbed me some snow. I guess you call them snow blankets, whatever. I grabbed those from Family Dollar, and I just wrapped them around the trees. So of course I'm going to go back in and I'm going to spray the trees with this artificial snow, and I should have just took the trees outside and sprayed them to keep the excess snow from getting on the floors and the walls, but it's no biggie. I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a towel and just go back and get the excess snow off the wall and off the floor. But I need the snow. It's a winter wonderland thing. No biggie. So I think when I bought these, my husband was like, what are you gonna do with them? He couldn't understand. I don't think he liked them. But once he saw, what they looked like when the lights were off, he fell in love with them. So yeah, this is my table setup. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. And I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.